So I'm wondering, we have quite a few students who reach out to us and are interested in law, but they're not sure if they ultimately see themselves becoming a lawyer. Do you have any advice for those types of students, maybe to
Yeah.
help them solidify if that's the career path for them, or is it common for you to see graduates from law maybe go a different direction?
Yeah. So, Amanda, interestingly, in Australia, and this has been the case for a number of years now, 50% of all students who commence a law degree don't ever intend to practice as a lawyer. And I've just returned from a week in Canada. And one thing that I noticed during that week in Canada, speaking to prospective students, was that there is really a shift, a noticeable shift in Canada. Also, I suppose that reflects what you've just said, that where students are not intending necessarily to practice law upon completion of their law degree. And that is the great thing about a law degree, that it opens many, many doors. In fact, if you look at the prime ministers of Australia, so many of them are law graduates. Politics is definitely a career where having a law degree assists you. And of course, that's an extreme example. But, many students work, for instance, for the top four accounting firms in their taxation practice areas, or in their consultancy practice areas, where they're helping large corporate clients effectively acquire, other businesses, so mergers and acquisitions. We also see law graduates, working for family companies, or working for other companies that they're not, necessarily related to, working in courts, working in government departments, perhaps in policy or in drafting legislation. And sometimes, people go in quite different directions with a law degree. But what I think what law gives you is an ability to analyze a problem, an ability to be able to generate options, an ability to be able to negotiate that other degrees do not give you, for your future career.
I'd like to highlight and underscore that exact sentence that you just shared. I
Yeah.
think that's yeah, that's wonderful. Wonderful
It's
motivation.
actually interesting, Amanda, because I was talking to a colleague recently in one of our other faculties at Bond, and she was saying that when she has law students in her class, so they would be law students who are studying a combined degree, she said that I can immediately identify the students in my class who are law students, because she said they think differently. And I think that is the absolute benefit to studying law.